Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone but you're facing the no internet problem in your CapCut app, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable that disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Once you have done, you have to simply go back from here. Then you have to open your app store and here go to search and search for CapCut app. You have to also make sure that you have any pending updates for your CapCut app. If you find you have to try to update your app, and after updating your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go to settings, and now in settings just go to general, then go to VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, simply try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to simply go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to simply open your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here just look for CapCut app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps after offloading or deleting if there will be any bug or any malware into your app. It will be fixing this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.